Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few anecdotes, right? Admission anecdotes of our students. Let me start with two people. These two people applied to the Duke University to start their MBA in fall 2023. They applied in the month of January. Both of them had very competitive admission profiles. We've seen their profiles, we know their background. They had good GMAT score, extremely competitive GMAT score. Incidentally, both of them were waitlisted by Duke. Move a couple of months later, one of the two students converted that waitlist into an admit and is starting her MBA in Duke this year. The second person did not convert it. There could be many explanations that one could offer as to why one person converted and the other did not. It could just as well be a flip of the coin by the admissions team. But if we dig a little deeper, the person who ended up with the admit offer basically was constantly in touch with the university even after applying, right from the moment the person applied, even before applying, attended all webinars and every session that the school had, interacted with the admissions team, essentially made sure that her face was visible to the admissions committee and conveyed to that saying that, hey, have a good GMAT score, have a good professional experience, my academics are good, all of these are good, but equally important, I'm a good fit for the school and I'm very keen on pursuing my MBA from this. That we think basically conveys to the admission team that between two people, hey, I know there is a profile, objective data. I have a profile, objective data, and a face that I've seen, I've interacted with. This is going to tilt the scales in your favor. What does this tell us? Can you go with a 400 GMAT score just because you interacted with the school? That's not going to happen. With zero work experience, can you go to a top-notch business school? That's not going to happen. If you had poor academics, will you be able to make it to the top business schools? That's not going to happen. These are all the basic hygiene that you need to have. You need to have a good GMAT score, good professional experience. You need to have good academics. You need to check all of these boxes. But checking these boxes is not alone sufficient. You need to be seen. You need to be seen as a person keen on joining the business school. So get started with networking. We are in the month of August. Typically, you'll be applying either for round 1 or round 2. In either case, if you have not started networking with the admissions team, it's high time you started. What's a good place to start networking?